Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to connect unverified AirPods. First, make sure your device's Bluetooth is turned on. Then, open the lid of your AirPods case with both AirPods still inside. Your device should then display a pairing animation, prompting you to connect. This initial step is crucial for establishing the first connection, setting the stage for seamless audio enjoyment in just a few moments. If the automatic pairing doesn't appear, you'll need to initiate a manual connection. Locate the small circular button on the back of your AirPods case. Press and hold this button for approximately 5 to 10 seconds until the status light begins to flash white. Now, go to your device's Bluetooth settings and select your AirPods from the list of available devices to complete the pairing process. Encountering issues? Don't worry, here are some quick troubleshooting tips. First, try forgetting the AirPods from your device's Bluetooth settings, then attempt to reconnect. A simple restart of both your device and the AirPods case can often resolve minor glitches. Also, ensure your AirPods have at least 20% battery charge, as low power can sometimes prevent successful pairing. For optimal performance, always check for any available firmware updates through your connected device. To confirm authenticity, you can locate the serial number on your AirPods case and enter it on Apple's official support website. Be mindful that unverified AirPods might exhibit subtle differences in sound quality or battery life compared to genuine ones, so pay close attention to these details.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.